we are just now looking at doing a secondary entry on Amazon.com, and basically what we have here is we bought half of this up bar right here in the system. We're monitoring right now half of this particular Pro Trader bar is 150.55. That's that upper side. If I can't close above it, then I'm not going higher. If I break below 50 here, I'm going to get weaker, and that means I'm going to teeny down in price. So basically, when we were selling the move up here at the top, which was done on the last live entry and exit right to the penny, is that when the SMF platform started to fail, that meant that triggered you short at half of that bar. And basically, that black box right here is showing you a 44 reading. But not only that, if you take a look at your mathematical ranges over here on your bid and ask trend ratio, which is tied to the SMF pricing control system, that's not the public print. The public print is what the people look at. What you look at, once again, is why did you get this move here and sell at the top, and it becomes a short when you're breaking down half bars. That's half of these bars. And we talked about this in pre-market on when they make their mathematical movement. The market maker, he got the move going. People chased it. They got crowded at the top. The SMF Pro Trader bars were working for you. They were calculating the move for you, so you know how to short the other side of that breakout. And rather you're breaking higher above the half of the bar for that side of the move, but you certainly can break lower half bar down. They go both ways. We talked about that in pre-market. Now you want to know where the pullback is going to get made is that this thing has got to be above half of that bar. And that's at 150.55 pennies. Right now the bid and ask is 24 by 33 pennies in the market, what the market makers bid and ask. You can see down here, he just whipped that down there and he hit a wick right there, but we got alerts in the system. We have voice alerts because this will talk to you. So if you want to, you got voice alerts. You also have every command alert, voice alert, you get text alert here. And the thing about it is, price is not going to be made unless we stay above 55 pennies. That's half of this bar right here. That we hit that bottom. That intraday range does not stay above 55, then we will weaken in this price movement. We could come lower. However, that is the key there. You see when it ticked to 52 and you ticked down in price. You got back to 55, the candle moved up in price. That's called pure pricing control mechanism at its very finest. And basically, that's where that bid and ask cap range is. That could be from 0.1 penny up to 49 pennies or 51 pennies up to 99. Doesn't matter. What matters is that the system has priced it in. And until I close above that bar in our system here, then I remain weak at 150.35 by 48. Until I'm 55 on the bid and ask and working north of that, I am not going to have a very strong turn. Yes, price has stabilized. There is no doubt about that off of that pullback. And learning how to enter that trade again, you got to stay north of 55 in the intraday range, because that's exactly what you got to do. And not only that, your current trend ratio has to go in the right direction for that to break higher. The intraday range, that's the SMF mathematical pricing system, that bid and ask trend ratio. And that's what you're trading. That's why you have the success of an MMT market minder. Think of who you are. You're making the market, and you're reminding yourself constantly on how to get made at price action. I'm above 55. I got a bottom put in. I took out half of that bar. You can see it in the bid and ask. That's the time to have that entry. But you got to see you're weak at it. 148 by 52 pennies on half bar. SMF Pro Trader Action bar at 150.55. That's this bar. Let's take a look at this one here. There's another bar that we should be looking at, and they're all 55s. There's a 52 penny bar. On the support side off of the bottom here now, we've got a 150.16, and we were minus 14 pennies below that 29 penny up bar at 150.49 pennies. That was so you can see the mathematical equations. All right, now let's ride that at 60. You got to go north of 65 to get that breakout. That was that pullback. There's half of that bar. That print's got to hold strong at 55, 52 by 57. You got to walk that dog north of 55 to that upside to get through that teeny. Watch the price action flag. You got to go north of 65. You got to hold 55 to hold that bottom right there. That intraday, that was at 49 on the clock. You're clocking 58 right now. You got to get that bid. You got to get that bid and ask trend ratio to go in the right way. And I'm going to conclude that entry right here on that bottom on that pullback and how to do it.